Hello everyone, this is Own Wall Street with the TradersPerspective.com doing my midweek analysis. Before you have the S&P 500 on the 30-minute time frame. Now, earlier in the week I did do a video where I expected some further new highs to be put in, and yeah, we did put in some new highs here around 24.40, let's call it, and price has been kind of just dwindling down. Overall, I think there's a general sense of kind of awareness going on right now where people are starting to say, what's holding this market up? Why am I buying? Is there more room for growth? I mean, can I continue to expect the gains I've been making? So I think people are starting to kind of question, how much more this rally has to offer. Myself personally, I believe, and I've already maneuvered my funds around to the emerging markets section. It's been a wonderful move for myself personally, so I've been hooking up some friends and family with that maneuver. But as far as U.S. markets are concerned, I do expect a massive correction to happen. It's a matter of time. But near term, what are we looking at on a 30-minute time frame? My opinion aside, just looking at the technicals, we have fallen underneath this 50-period simple moving average on a 30-minute time frame. We are kind of in a little bit of a channel here between these two levels. So this is the uptrend line that I kind of just drew in on a 30-minute time frame. If I zoom out a little bit, you can kind of see where it is in retrospect to the general price action. So again, zooming back in to give you an idea of what to expect. So, I would expect that price action would either maintain this level here at around 24.31 and break back above here as my moving averages are crossing in a bullish fashion here. However, it is a very tight pinch and the price action is very small. It's only a few points or so. So, it is going to be an interesting story here between this 50-period simple moving average and this attempt by the bulls here. We did have a very, not very, but pretty bearish candlestick here, and now we're looking at, challenging this downtrend line here. But it is possible for, again, I'm going to say this over and over probably until what happens naturally, or should be happening naturally, does actually occur. But in the meantime, I'll give you the technicals. So it is possible that if we do break above this trend line here, that we'll potentially go up to test these highs here again around 24.40. This market looks to be dead set to kind of go to about 24.44, maybe 24.50. The way it's looking, it just seems like nothing is rattling this market at this point in time. So if in fact something does come around at that point in time where the sell pressure is evident, we still have some potential new highs to be made. At least in the near term, I could see the market bouncing off these levels here and then moving up higher. If we get above this 50-period simple moving average on a 30-minute time frame, then we will definitely be rolling up higher to test these 24.40 multi-year highs essentially, and then potentially putting in new highs. So don't discount the tops. If you're going to be playing this market short, these are very small moves. I mean, this is a 30-minute time frame, and you're not really looking for a lot of points to be made. So manage your positions well. Have your stop losses in if you're on the short side. If you're on the long side, do the same thing. You never know what can happen on any given day. But if everybody runs for the exits at the same time, just remember liquidity is the key. So if we are this extended, just think what the other person is doing. That's all I'm going to say. This has been an analysis of the S&P 500. Green trading to you all. Subscribe to the channel. I truly appreciate the support. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful evening.